Hi everyone, I've got a Nissan Qashqai here. Just done the service on this. We'll show you how to reset the service light. But before I do that, I'm just going to show you how much it takes. Now, that's the capacity, which is 4.6 litres. All the oil grades are right here. So 540, 530. Now, to reset the service light, it's quite simple. I'll go on to service indicator. This is a 2016, so I'd go here. Now, resetting the engine oil indicator. As you can see right there, follow the instructions. Right here. Now, to show you how it's done, just going to get... Right, now that I'm in the car, what I need to do is switch the ignition on. So I'm not going to press the brakes or anything. Switch the ignition on. You'd see on the speedo that the service will be due on this. Maintenance is due right there. Now to do it, this is the button we need to press. So if I press enter, go down, scroll down, press enter again, sorry, scroll down, down again, down into settings, press enter again, go into maintenance, go into service. Now it says there it meant to be set, well, 12,500 is a set date. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to reset this, press OK. Now it's gone down to 0. That's all you got to do on your car. Any more information, please do let me know and we'll try helping you out. Just to check it, press go back, switch the ignition off, switch the ignition back on. Make sure there's no warning messages. No warning. Okay, that's all you need to do. Thank you very much. Goodbye.